In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resume interrupted downloads in Google Drive on a computer. Unexpected pauses happen. Maybe your internet dropped or your browser closed. But the good news is, you can usually pick up right where you left off with just a few careful clicks. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to drivegoogle.com. Give the page a moment to load and sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. A stable connection helps here, so if your Wi-Fi was the reason for the interruption, make sure it's steady before trying again. Once you're in, head to My Drive or open the specific folder where the file originally lived. If you keep a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to locate the exact file name you were downloading. It's helpful to confirm you've got the right one by checking the file type and size in the Details pane, so you know what to expect when the download resumes. Click the file once to select it. With the file highlighted, you can start the download again by clicking the Download button near the top, or by right-clicking the file and choosing Download from the menu. Either option works the same. Your browser may prompt you to choose a location on your computer. To resume the download, instead of starting a completely new copy, select the same folder you used before and keep the same file name. Many browsers create a temporary partial file during interrupted downloads, and matching the location and name allows the download to continue. If you're asked whether to replace an existing file, confirm the replacement so it can proceed. Avoid choosing a different folder or renaming the file, as that can trigger a brand new download rather than a resume. Now, wait for the download to complete. You'll usually see a progress indicator at the bottom of your browser or in its Downloads panel. Try not to close the browser, put your computer to sleep, or switch networks while it's in progress. Before opening the file, verify that it's fully downloaded. Check the Downloads panel for a completed status, or compare the file size on your computer to the size shown in Google Drive's details. If the numbers match and your browser reports the download is finished, you're good to go. That's how you resume interrupted downloads in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.